Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal, out here in the garden again today. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Got a bunch of rain the past few days, which is really great, and lots of sun. It's been super hot, so pretty good combination of things. And you know, for the growing, this little extra bed of stuff that I planted is actually coming along better than I had hoped. Things are growing now. Even got a couple of little peppers on this guy over here. So yeah, everything's looking pretty good. Sage is doing really nice. That one's already pretty big over there. Lots of weeds coming in, obviously. This hasn't really been mulched, so not surprising. Got some more little pepper flowers growing in here. Tomatoes are starting to get a little bit bigger. Those couple ones over there are looking pretty good. The physalis is looking great there at the end. Still haven't put together that video for you guys yet. I'll do that at some point. The artichoke, now that the cats have kind of stopped going in there, is looking pretty good, that one. Here, that one got completely destroyed by the cats, but I actually got some new plants to put in here from my mom. She gave me this spinach. So this is actually really great. I'm really happy. It seems like it's doing well after the rain, and looking pretty good. I got another couple of them kind of split up. I think there was one in there. I think the cats buried it again. Anyway, and then there's another one that I put over there kind of at the end. Yeah, everything's looking pretty good. This sage is looking really nice. That one's probably the biggest one I've got so far. The loofah has started wandering over there, so that's looking pretty good. This ajipanca is looking good. Chili. And yeah, looking really good here. These were some of the later tomatoes that I planted. And they're looking really big. I got to stake these out now, and lots of flowers on them, so I'm sure there's going to be a decent amount of fruit. Tons of flowers and peppers on this guy over here, and a bunch in there. I'm going to show you guys some from close up just so you can see them. And yeah, these physalis are looking really good. Really happy with them. I'm hoping to see some fruit on them, but I don't see any yet. I'll let you guys know if I do. Yeah, these are some of the chilies I was telling you guys about. Look at these, wicked. So many on here too. You can see them all down here. It's really cool. These are super long, doing really good. My brother's tomatoes are definitely looking better than mine, but these chilies are looking great. I'm really satisfied with these. These are pretty amazing. I have no idea what kind they are. I'm sure my brother could probably tell you guys just by looking at them. But I got a bunch of different varieties. Some of them are quite beautiful, like this purple one here. Really cool. Oh, tons of ants on here. But anyway, got some more over here. I don't even know what kind this is either. But just tons and tons of peppers everywhere. Everything's popping now. It's like really good. Look at the peppers in there. Those guys are looking really good too. The marigolds are beautiful. They're just everywhere. I'm going to do a video about those as well separately. Some of the tomatoes are starting to ripen. I'm going to do a little mini harvest today just to show you guys kind of what I've got. But I got a bunch of ripe tomatoes in there. I haven't tried one yet, but they're looking good. I think they're going to be okay. There's a couple more in here that are probably ripe in here. So those are looking good. Got a couple of surprises. Got some nice tomatoes here too. These are some of the bigger varieties. I think this one might be one of those purple ones, but I don't remember. And I'm not even good with the names. So anyway, surprises for me is I've never been good at telling the difference between squash plants and like cucumbers and other stuff like that. And some of these things that I thought were squash may actually be cucumbers. So these guys here, they might be cucumbers and not squash, and I don't know. Reason being is that I found a really beautiful cucumber on this one, and they kind of look like this. So I'm going to harvest this guy. This cucumber is looking really good. It's huge. Probably could have easily removed it sooner. And there's nice little ones coming up here, so there's going to be more on this plant, and it's looking really good. So I'm very happy about that. The tomatillo is finally putting out tons of little fruits, so you can see them here. This hadn't been looking too happy for quite some time, but I think the really heavy rains the past couple days have really kind of brought it back to life here. So now there's tons of fruit on that, so that's really cool. Lots more tomatoes all in here. The zucchinis have exploded just from the past 2 days. So that thing was tiny the last time I showed you guys, which was a couple days ago. Looks like I'm getting some rot on that one. I'll probably cut that one out. But that one just got huge. I mean, that was like probably about, you know, this big, 2 to 3 inches, and now look at it, it's probably like a little over a foot. This green one got huge, so I'm gonna harvest these guys. This green one in here, that's a really nice one. Some of the corn is starting to form here on other canes here, and or stalks, I should say, corn stalks. I have no idea what, if anything, will develop from these because they're so little. They're like little baby corn or something. But anyway, I'm sure it'll still be fun regardless. I'm really happy. The beans are growing nicely here. Got some beans going here. Got some beans in there. So yeah, these things, I don't know. I don't know what they are, quite honestly. These might end up being cucumbers. I don't know. I wish I knew more stuff about plants. But anyway, I'll learn as I go. So even this, I don't know. Don't know what it is. And this might even be physalis here at the bottom. I'm not sure. There was just a beautiful moth or butterfly or something here earlier. I'll play you guys that clip so you can see it. I was trying to get close up to it, but then it flew away. Let's see what else. Yeah, this guy might be one of those other ones that I was saying might actually end up being cucumber instead of squash. Look at all these little guys on here. Those might be cucumbers, I don't know. Anyway, I really should learn more stuff. Oh, we got some beans that grew out here. This is great. That's cool. So yeah, pretty happy. I'm really excited. The tomatoes are doing good. A bunch of big ones in here as well. You can see this guy. It's probably like almost maybe you know, half the size of my hand. It's looking good. I'm really excited. So yeah, who knew? Rain is good for the garden, even if you have mulch. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to show you what I pick in 1 second, so bear with me. So yeah, guys, that's the harvest for today. Cucumber, 2 zucchinis, really nice big ones. Probably could have, you know, taken these down yesterday actually, but I'm sure these will still be pretty tender and tasty. No damage, no bugs, no slugs. Looking nice. This yellow one's really beautiful. And I took this one down too. I'm just going to chop this off here and then eat the rest. I'm sure it'll be fine. The tomatoes are tiny but look pretty nice, so I look forward to eating these. And there's going to be a lot more where that came from. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more stuff coming out of the garden in the next few days. Oh cool, I can see some black tomatoes on that one. It's really good. Super excited. So yeah, stick with me guys, and join me for the ride and grow your own garden. If you got a little tiny bit of land, put in some plants. Can't stress it enough. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.